Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Shopbase with Merchize Fulfill. Shopbase is a versatile e-commerce platform, and when you connect it with Merchize, you can supercharge your print-on-demand business with instant order syncing and the ability to manage multiple stores under one account. We'll guide you through the process with clear, easy steps that anyone can follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your accounts. Before we start, make sure you have an active Shopbase/Printbase account, a Merchize account. Note that Printbase is Shopbase's dedicated platform designed for e-commerce store. If you don't have a Merchize account yet, head over to merchize.com and sign up. It's quick and free. With both accounts ready, we can now start connecting your Shopbase account to Merchize. Step 2. Create a private app in Shopbase. Log in to your Shopbase or Printbase account. From the left-hand menu, click on Apps, then select Manage Private Apps. Click to create a new private app. Fill in the required app information, like the app name and description. Keep it simple and recognizable, like Merchize integration. Once you submit, Shopbase will generate your API key and password. Copy these carefully. You'll need them for the next step. Step 3. Connect your Shopbase store to Merchize. Now, head over to your Merchize seller dashboard. Click Integrations from the left-hand menu and select Shopbase from the list. Enter your Shopbase store's URL. Next, paste the API key and password you copied from Shopbase into the respective fields. Once everything's filled in, click the Connect button. That's it! Your Shopbase account is now integrated with Merchize, ready for instant order syncing and streamlined fulfillment. To verify, go back to Integrations in your Merchize dashboard and check the Shopbase connection status. If it says active, you're good to go. If you run into any issues, double-check your shipping settings or contact Merchize support for help. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials and drop any questions in the comments. See you next time!